Hey everybody, Ryan here. All right, so now is the time of year that we're cleaning out our gutters, but it's also a really good time to assess the condition of your roof. You know, the roof is the most important part of your home and the #1 defense against the elements. Checking for problems now can mean the difference between repairing it or replacing it later, and we definitely don't want to do that. Now, as a contractor, I recommend you leave the roof walking to the professionals. You can easily check things out from a ladder like I am now, or even a pair of binoculars down on the ground. Something to keep in mind, just because your roof isn't leaking does not mean you don't have a problem. Here are a few of the things you're going to want to take a look at. Now in your attic, after heavy rain, if you notice any wet spots or ice buildup in the winter, that is definitely a problem. Cracked, curling, missing, or loose shingles or tiles, definitely a problem. Also, look for noticeable shingle decay, mold, or mildew growth. Visible stains on interior walls or ceilings is also a sure sign that there's something wrong with the roof. Today's tips are brought to you by ABC Supply Company, providing contractors with select exterior and interior products since 1982. And as always, find more information at designingspaces.tv.